Hi, and welcome to CampingShowerWorld.com. In this how-to presentation, I will show you how to connect the Ecotemp L5 bundle and Quicker connectors together. Also, since you need a few non-included parts to connect all Ecotemp L5 bundle pieces together, a lot of people have been asking us what parts they need to purchase separately. We'll talk about these non-included parts, which you can easily get from most hardware stores. Here are the parts you need to purchase separately. A 3/4 inch male by a 1/2 inch brass hose barb adapter, 3 hose clamps, 2 wire nuts, and 2 pieces of 1/2 inch garden hose about 3 to 6 feet in length. It's obviously not possible to purchase a hose this short, so you'll need to purchase the shortest hose available and cut the lengths needed with a hacksaw. Depending on how you want to connect your water pump to a power source, you may need a few extra parts to make that work. For this presentation, we're going to use an AC/DC power adapter normally used for powering coolers, but you can also connect the water pump directly to a deep cycle battery, which you'll need if you're planning on setting it up in an area where there are no power outlets. So here's what we're going to use to power our pump: a 12-volt cigarette lighter adapter, and an AC/DC power adapter that's normally used to power up coolers. So here we can see the Ecotemp L5 water heater with the Quicker connectors already attached. And now I'm going to show you how to connect all these different parts together so that we have a fully functional water heater with good pressure. Here the end of the hose connected to the pump is connected to a 90-degree pump port that's included with the water pump, and I use the hose clamp to make sure it's tight enough to prevent leaking. Okay, we now have the pump output connected to the Quicker connector water inlet. It's important to note that if you're going to mount the pump vertically as shown here, that you mount it with the pump head facing down. This will prevent water from entering the motor chamber in the event of a leak. This is our strainer used to keep debris out of the pump. We're connecting it to the pump inlet port connector. Now we have everything set up to feed water to the Ecotemp L5 water heater. For this demonstration, we used a bucket as the water source, but other options are available, such as a water container, a rain barrel, or even a lake. Now at this stage, we can connect the gas regulator and hose, which comes included with the Ecotemp L5 water heater. In my hand, I'm holding a 3/4 inch by 1/2 inch adapter, as well as a fast lock. Both come included with the Quicker connectors. The 3/4 inch by 1/2 inch adapter allows us to connect the shower hose to the red outlet Quicker connector hose. It's now time to connect the 12-volt cigarette lighter adapter to the water pump. Use the wire nuts to connect the wires together. Okay, we've now completed the setup. All we need to do now is turn on the propane, the L5 water heater, and the water pump. As you can see, the water pressure is pretty incredible, and that's thanks to the 50 psi generated by the FlowJet water pump. It comes real close to a home shower. In case you're wondering why use Quicker connectors at all, here's why. As you can see here, it's much easier to connect and disconnect a hose than if you were directly connecting and disconnecting it to the L5 fittings at the bottom of the unit. Quicker connectors are meant to remain connected to the L5 permanently, so no need to screw and unscrew anything in the cramped space where the fittings are located. You can quickly assemble and disassemble your water heater setup in a snap and move your L5 around easily. Well, that's it for this demonstration. I hope it'll help you avoid having to bang your head against the wall wondering how to set it up properly. I'm sure some of you will even find a better way to assemble it. Don't forget to post your thoughts and questions in the comment section below. Thank you.